Get clean and move today. Move your body, come and play.
Come on, kids. Let's learn healthy habits together.
Brush your teeth, brush, brush, brush. Wash your hands, wash, wash, wash. Eat your food, yum, yum, yum. Drink some water, glug, glug, glug. Stay clean, stay strong. Do it all day long. Move your body, feel so bright. Healthy habits feel just right. Cover your mouth, cough, cough, cough. Clean your room, tidy, tidy, tidy. Go to bed, night, night now. Close your eyes, show me how. Stay clean, stay strong. Do it all day long. Move your body, feel so bright. Healthy habits feel just right. Let's go slow, slow, slow. Brush your teeth, wash your hands. Drink some water. Now go fast, fast, fast. Clap, stomp, jump. Clap, stomp, jump.
Hey kids, healthy habits help us grow big and strong.
Stay clean.